So, hi guys, good morning. So, nakalimutan ko pala magbablog. So, it's 5 minutes to 6. So, I woke up 5:25 p.m. So, pasensya na sa sa itsura ko. So, I wake up early because I need to go work 7 o'clock. Then, gusto kong uminom ng kape at saka ma-enjoy ng time. So, now, I'm going to wake up Alana. Kasi, it's almost 6 o'clock. Then, mag-change muna ako to prepare to go to work. So, Mama is going to bring Alana to school and pick her up. So, I wake her up. Hi, my love. Good morning. So, this is every morning. So, I'm going to carry her. She's going down. Yeah. Leah is here. You wait, baby, okay? I put Alana first in the couch. Oh, he's outside. I make kakao, okay? Now Leah is eating his food. He have the wet one and the dried one. So he only eats in the morning two packet of what? The wet one. So Alana only drink chocolate. Hot chocolate in the morning. So this is her wake up time. She uses her tablet, watch YouTube. So to let her wake up. Really nice. Hi, Dai.
Hi.
Good morning. So I go up and change, okay? So I go up and change and prepare because Mama is coming in 30 minutes. Then 6:45 is I'm going to work because my work start today at 7 a.m. So, I'm done changing. So, nakapagsuklay na lang po ako. Pero parang hindi nagsuklay. So, I'm going down. Then, mag-prepare sa ni Alana. Yawsi box. So, we're going to work na. I'm going to work na. So, it's 0 degrees Celsius. Grabe, lamig. So, I go to work first. So, see you later. So, nasa work na ako. So, I forgot my hairnet. So, magkuha ako new hairnet dito. So, see you later. So, hi guys. So, it's 12 noon. So, work is done. So, I'm going to pick up Alana. Then, after, we drive to my mother-in-law's house because we're going to eat lunch there. So, see you later. Hey. So, Alana is here. So, now we're going to Uma. We drive to Uma. So, we're going home now.
This.
Yeah. So we are home now. So after this, Alana want to eat ice cream on Kinder Eye over Russian. Then after that, we are going to sleep. Afternoon sleep. Mag-beauty resto sa amin. So that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!